what's up, man? We at the Murfreesboro Hot Chicken Festival. It's the 3rd annual, man. And they got so many different hot chicken food trucks out here, and it's all phenomenal.
I'm Charissa with the Pink Sugar Funnel Cakery. I'm very excited. I did win the most creative at the Hot Chicken Festival this year. I did create a funnel cake sandwich with a hot chicken breast in the middle, and I did have a gold plate decorated. Thank you.
Hey, it's Michael McLean, AKA Mike, the hot chicken man. 2-time winner of the Borough Chicken Contest. I thank you for Franklin's for having me back out here this year to bring the trophy back home.
This is Jason Covington with Bill's Hot Fish and Chicken. We just won the hottest of the hottest. Well, we tied this year, so we're gonna come back with it next year and try to do it again. Well, we won People's Choice. It's my wife, Crystal. I'm Adam. We're Southern Spoon. We've been around for a little over 5 years. And we thank you for letting us come out.
All right, Murfreesboro, we just want to thank y'all for the best in the borough. What do we get?
We the best.
In the borough, and we appreciate everybody that has stopped by and chased our hot chicken. We absolutely love Murfreesboro. This is our hometown, and we're bringing home the trophy. So thank y'all so much. We really appreciate it.
Murfreesboro Hot Chicken Festival. This is the 3rd annual. We'll see y'all next year for the 4th one.